to hell, right? Today, I told me to do a talent. Before it perfect on film. Wait. Wait. Today, bit of me without a wet. Okay, I'll do it. I don't like red. I like blue. R B dot blue.
Go.
Yun nga sabi. Yun nga.
Inhale. Close mouth.
Oh, my God.
How do you feel?
Dude,
Oh, good na pala eh.
dami tola.
Pasok ka na sa school.
Dami tola.
Where? I forgot.
You cannot eat candy yet. Umubo ka pa eh.
Awa naman. Gagalit sa akin pa gagalit oh. Sa akin na nagalit. Ako magalit. Why? What get mad? Ubo ka eh. Ah. Hindi naman matamis to eh. Ah, huwag mo kainin. Hold mo lang. Kaya lang. O, tomorrow na lang. Kung magaling ka na ha. Ha? Tomorrow na lang. Unang ano yun. Ay, nabili ko na at least. O, tomorrow na lang yun. Warning ka na kasi there's problem in your voice. Ha? Na-notice mo? Your voice is different.
What?
A little husky. A little. I heard it last night.
What?
Uubuhin ka. Okay?
Yep.
Oh, tomorrow na lang. At least nabili na natin.
Thank I'll take them over. Uy! Uy! I did. Uy! Uy! Yes.
Hindi ka inatake na ubo later.
One.
Ba't na kasi kung ano ka nose? Kung magani ka. Ayun. Get tissue.
What? Say no more.
Hindi ginaganon, no? Kasi pag ginanon mo, and you hold something,
Where?
napapasa yung virus. Asan tissue? Wala na?
Yeah?
Aka na, tapo ko na yan. Ayun. Sleep na.
But my
Ano,
note.
Ayun nga pala. Ito yung tissue ko. Teka lang.
But my nose.
Spread. You're spreading the virus by touching. Do not touch doorknobs. Do not touch anything, ha? Doon ka lang sa floor mo. Sa chair mo. Ha? Do not touch slide. Naglalaro ka pa slide. Just stay on your chair. Because if you hold the doorknob, you hold the door. You hold other classmates' pencil. Huwag kang makikipaglaro ng with body contact. No touching, ha? Avoid touching others. Avoid touching school classmates' pencil. Avoid touching. O, doon ka lang sa chair mo. Okay? Do not touch the floor. Also, the ground. You're holding the ground eh. That's dirty. Do not Indian sit. O, do not Indian sit, ha?